Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this stylish one-owner 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT 4x4 truck. With a powerful and fuel-efficient engine, considerable towing and hauling capabilities, and an impressively refined interior loaded with high-tech features, this full-size truck should be a top contender on your list when it comes to utility, performance, versatility, comfort, and a splash of luxury. Luxury Motorsports specializes in selling the highest quality pre-owned automobiles in Arizona, while standing behind everything we sell. Under the hood is an Ecotec 3 5.3-litre V8 engine, generating 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. The V8 comes with fuel-saving cylinder deactivation technology for low-load situations when you don't need all of the power. Properly equipped, it can tow up to 11,500 pounds. EPA estimated fuel economy is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. At Luxury Motorsports, all vehicles go through a rigorous service inspection in our state-of-the-art service facility before being sold. Inside the well-trimmed cabin, you can enjoy a 40-20-40 front split bench seat, the LT convenience package, dual-zone automatic climate control, electric rear window defogger, radio AM/FM 8-inch diagonal color touchscreen, rear vision camera with dynamic guidelines, remote vehicle starter system, Sirius XM satellite radio, and a theft deterrent system. The LT trim adds a chrome grille insert, an easy lift lower tailgate, alloy wheels, cloth upholstery, carpeting, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio controls, and 6 speakers for the audio system. We invite you to come and experience this serene and comfortable ride, respectable power, and great road manners for yourself. Off-road, you will find it incredibly composed, even on those rocky trails. The overall driving dynamics are arguably one of the best in the full-size truck segment. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.